Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, we're going to have a closer look at the needle position of a knitting machine. So let's get to it! On both sides of the needle bed, you will find markings, letters A, B, D, and E, which are your needle position. A is your non-working position, B is the working position, D is upper working position as well as selected needle position, and E is holding position. When the needles are in A position and the carriage passes over, they will not be knitted. When the needles are placed into B position and the carriage passes over, they will be knitted. When the needles are placed into D position or upper working position and the carriage passes over them, they will be knitted and return to B position. When the needles are set to E position, which is your holding position, you have to make sure that your holding lever cam on the carriage is set to H position. By passing the carriage over, these needles will not be knitted. By returning the holding lever to the end position, while the needles are in E position and passing the carriage over them, they will be knitted and return to B position. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know by clicking on a thumbs up. And if you would like to help me grow my channel and see more of these tutorials, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.